Hi guys, today we're gonna make a chicken Greek sandwich. I'll show you how to make it. It's literally just so easy and simple. All you're gonna need some chicken. This is just chicken breast, and then I put it on breadcrumbs and like you put the eggs and the breadcrumbs just like fried chicken. Okay, and then I have here some bread. Like you can get some pita bread or this brand of bread is the tandoori bread is really good. So this is goes with the Greek sandwich. We have here the feta cheese. You can get any one, but it has to be the crumbled one, just like the regular crumbled feta cheese. I have hummus. You can get the garlic one or the plain one. I like the garlic one. And we have here some ranch, and we got some green leaf lettuce. It gotta be green leaf lettuce. So I warm up the oil on a pan, and then I will start to put my chicken on it. So until the chicken get cooked, I'll show you guys how to make the sandwich. So I'm gonna start out with the bread. So I have this kind of bread. It gotta be warm, guys, so you have to warm it up. I'm just gonna put it on 30 seconds in the microwave. This sandwich is also healthy and is really good for you, and it's good. You can make it for lunch or you can make it for breakfast as you like. Okay, I warm up the bread. So the sandwich we're gonna try to make it like that, but do not break it. So it's gonna be like this. Then you take here your lettuce, your green leaf lettuce. Then when the chicken get cooked, I'll put my chicken on top of the lettuce, and after that I'll show you. You also can put chipotle. If you don't like ranch, you can put mayo. You can put your own dressing. I just like ranch with the chicken. So we have to wait until the chicken got cooked, then I will show you next what we're gonna do. You can save a lot of money when you guys start to make your own sandwich at home. The sandwiches outside is really expensive now and it's not really that healthy. But when you make it at home, it's really, you can do a lot of them and then you can save your money. And it's gonna be healthy for you, and then you don't have to spend all your money on a restaurant. I'm gonna start to put a lot of recipes for sandwiches, and I'm sure you guys will like it. I'm just waiting until the chicken get crispy and gold. It smells so good, guys. Now I have the chicken is ready. See, it's like a golden color. Okay, you guys, now I'll show you. I'm so excited to show you guys how to make the sandwich. So I cut my chicken in half. Here I have the bread with the green lettuce. You're gonna put your chicken in half like that. And then you're gonna put one line of ranch. Just one line enough. Because it's gonna be there is hummus and there is also the feta cheese. And then you're gonna get your hummus, the garlic one. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some in there on top of the chicken. Just like that. Then I have here my crumble feta cheese. You're gonna get some and put it on top. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. And let me show you the final result. And this is the final result. This is how the sandwich looks like. And I can't tell you how delicious is it. If you guys like it, just try to make it. It's really good and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for watching.